Firefighters and excavation teams worked for around 10 hours to rescue the 20-month-old boy who fell into the well yesterday, in Zan, Shaanxi Province. The incident occurred while the youngster was being taken out to play by his grandparents. Heavy machinery was used to rescue the boy, who stumbled into the well yesterday morning, because the hole was only around 30 centimeters in diameter. Oxygen had to be pumped into the well to keep him breathing, and he was provided with food and water. His family frantically called his name to keep him awake, with the boy trapped around 30 feet deep down the 150 feet well. After 10 hours rescue, the boy was saved on Saturday night after a huge pit was dug to the side of the way and a tunnel was made horizontally for the child to get out of. Their attempts were made even harder after a landslide halfway through, but they eventually managed to retrieve the boy with a rope. The child is currently recovering in hospital with non-life-threatening injuries.